Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here we will take a general look at the situation of the crypto market over the past week to get an idea of the market trends. Over the past week, the cryptocurrency market has shown a clear bullish sentiment with the majority of major assets trending in the green. So here you can check that tokens like Arrow approximately 75%, Ethereum you can check 30.4% and LDO approximately 72.8% delivered standout performance driving positive momentum across the sector. Established players such as Link, ARB, and Uni also posted healthy gains, signaling renewed investor confidence. Meme coins like Pepe and Doge saw notable upward movements and reflecting active community engagements. Overall, both large cap and mid cap projects benefited from strong buying pressure, suggesting a market environment fueled by optimism and increased trending activity. This broad-based growth highlights a positive short-term outlook of the crypto space. So now we will discuss about the today's project. Dear viewers, today we are talking about one of the most talked about events in the crypto space right now, the JBC airdrop by Jimmy Boss Collective. This is not just another token drop, it's a growing community movement powered by real utility and strong adoption potential. So here we will discuss about the airdrop highlights. The JBC airdrop is officially live, giving you chance to become part of fast expanding network. Here's what you get: no KYC required and simple and secure participation, instant rewards, receive $400 JBC tokens as soon as you join, and invite and earn. For every friend you invite, you get an extra $100 JBC tokens and community momentum. Already 70,000 plus active users have joined now. So participation is quick and easy. Simply join through the official bot link given in the description of the video. And early adopters often get the most value as the ecosystem grows with upcoming listings and expanding token utility. Those joining today may see even more benefits within the project's real world use cases. So, dear viewers, here you can check the details how to participate. Here you can also check the simple explanation, no technical overload, referral based growth, and airdrop phases. So, this is the process by which you can join the JBC airdrop system, and it is designed to reward community and fuel the growth of the ecosystem. By completing simple tasks and referring others, you can earn valuable JBC tokens while helping the project expand. It's easy to get started, and the more you engage, the more you can earn. Together, we build a stronger network one step at a time. Join the JBC through its Telegram bot. Now we will play the bot and see how we can get reward through the Telegram bot. So dear viewer, this is JBC Telegram bot. Now we will start this bot. So here we start it. So here you can see there is a user interface showing to do tasks, status, and website. So first of all, we will go to the to do task. Here you can see, click add X and add your account to validate tasks. Please send your X Twitter account ID. So here we will first of all we will have to send our Twitter ID. After providing Twitter ID, here you can see that you will have to follow Jimmy Boss on Twitter. So this is Jimmy Boss. Here we will have to follow it. So I have followed it. After following Jimmy Boss on Twitter, we will click done when we have completed the task, and the next will be the you will have to click add YouTube and add your account to validate tasks. So I have added my YouTube link. After adding our YouTube account details, here you can see that we will have to subscribe to YouTube channel of JBC. We will have to subscribe it. So here you can see that I have subscribed this. After subscribing the YouTube channel of JBC, here we will have to click done. So we have done, and then you will have to click add CMC and add your account to validate. So here we will click on add CMC. Please send your CoinMarketCap account ID, and here we will add our CoinMarketCap ID account ID. After fulfilling these tasks, here we will can check our status. So you can check that CoinMarketCap's account save status, and follow Jimmy Boss on CoinMarketCap, and after putting these details and doing the task, so we will follow JBC token on CoinMarketCap, and after it we will have to join the Telegram channel. So the link has been provided here. We will go to the JBC army channel and join it. So here you can see that I have joined it, and after joining the Telegram channel we will click done. So here you can see, then you will have to join the Telegram group. So the link has been given here. We will go to the Telegram group. So we will join the English global group of JBC. So here you can see that we have joined it, and after joining it we will go back to the bot. So click done when you have completed. So here we have done, and then we will have to add wallet and add your Binance Smart Chain address to receive your tokens. So here we will have to add wallet, and please enter the BNB Smart Chain wallet where you want to receive your tokens. So dear viewers, now we will enter the BNB Smart Chain wallet address where we want to receive our token. So here you can see, congratulations, we have completed all tasks. 400 JBC tokens will be automatically sent to our wallet within 2 days, and here is our invite link. Referral link have been created, and our wallet address has also been updated. So here we will copy the referral link and share it with our friends and family. So dear viewers, if you want to be part of the JBC movement, start by claiming your free tokens today. All relevant links are given in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others. For ongoing updates on cryptocurrency and NFT projects, be sure to subscribe and stay connected with our channel. So dear viewer, keep it in mind, this content is for informational purpose only and it is not financial advice. Always do your own research before participating in any crypto project. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.